Hello you guys YouTube, what's up? I'm making this video especially for you all around the world who wish to know the sample sound of Selmer Bundy 2 alto saxophone. This one is made in America, while the production is estimated, I guess, in the 1980s or so. This one doesn't come out anymore from the factory. Even the factory itself is closed down due to the Selmer company has moved out from America and going into Taiwan, I guess, with a different name. I think it is a Selmer now, the company name. Okay, here we go. For this video I'm using ligature from, I don't know, this one is Ruffner, dark Ruffner, and the mouthpiece I'm using right now is dukoff Miami, Florida B6, and the reed is a Fender and Reeds number 2.5. Here we go. I hope you enjoy it, or you might find it useful if you want to buy or want to get a reference how it sounds. Here we go. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed, having some fun watching my video. Please click like and maybe a subscribe. I'm using thank you very much. Guys, split out. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you guys.